Alright, hey, what's up guys? This is Chico and I have here a Asus X55 laptop with a Core i3 processors. I got this as a budget PC. It cost me about $250 a few years ago. Got a small issue, well, slight issue. The battery charging signal, even though it's plugged in, it's giving me a blinking red light. Now, it's also been plugged in for quite a bit now. About the whole day, and it says 94% plugged in, not charging. Basically, it's not really giving me 100%. And when I do have it unplugged, it runs. I mean, it used to run like maybe three hours or so. Now it runs like maybe 1 hour and then just dies. So with that said, I mean, it's pretty obvious that the battery is broken or needs to be replaced. Went online on Amazon, got this thing for roughly $15–20. It's a replacement battery. Slight issue though. Let me turn this off. Oh, that's my reflection. Nice. Slight issue. Usually on laptops, the battery can be removed, popped right off, and swapped out. This one, on the other hand, is inside. So we will have to get a Phillips head screwdriver and remove roughly, what, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. Alright, so let's start. Take note where they come from. This big one came from the middle over there. These are tiny little screws. Oh, this one's a little harder. Alright. If it doesn't want to come out, do not strip it by trying. You have to, a good suggestion is to push it in while you screw it out. And always remember, it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright, so I'm going to push this one and twist. Alright. Well, these guys will definitely help. Just run it across and feel the little tabs open. Be very careful not to break anything. Alright, you can feel it starting to come up. My laptop's really dirty. Whew, that is filthy. Got a little more over here. Alright, so the battery's over there. We do not have to remove this keyboard layout. We could just slide this over, and that's our battery. So, hopefully I ordered the right one. Looks very similar. Let's start that again. maybe a little wiggle, side to side wiggle. I mean, it has been here for years. And there you go. That is the old battery. Alright, 14.4 volts. This one's 14.8, 2600 mAh. That should be close enough. This one actually has 2600 milliamp hours, and the original had 2500 milliamp hours. So you technically have a little more space a little more capacity on this one. Alright, so the new one, we'll just pop it right in there. Okay. And installation is reverse. It's very easy. Alright, press it around, make sure all your little tabs are in, and get back to screwing. Alright. You see how me laying them out, how they originally came out, aids in the process of putting these putting these screws back in their original places. Alright, I'm going to put these nice and tight, not too tight. You're going to damage these tiny little screws. Alright, all the screws are in place. This guy has seen better days. Plug her in. Alright, there's a solid red there. That's actually a very good sign. That means it is charging. I don't imagine it to have a full capacity coming from Amazon. But the laptop works. Turns on. Let me just make sure Windows boots up. Alright guys, so the battery was replaced. This is the old one. The solid red over there. And this is the Windows welcome screen. Alright, so I expect this to be good. I'll give an update on my description if anything bad was with the installation, but I'm pretty sure it's good from on here. Thank you for watching, guys.